Human Rights Day is on the 10th December every year. Moreover, on the same day, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in the year 1948. The proper inception of the Human Rights Day dates from 1950. In the same year, on 10th December, implemented in India. Later, the date of 10th December of every year was declared as Human Rights Day. On occasion of International Human Rights Day, several programs were conducted by the Indo-Human Rights Care. In Visakhapatnam, under the national chairmanship of R. Prasad Rao, breakfast, general medicines and blankets were distributed for nearly 30 people in homeless accommodation near GVMC shelter Butcharajapalam near NSGL. In this, along with National Chairman, National Organizing Secretary P. Isaac Samarpan Raju, National Treasurer R. Vijaya, National RTA Protection Force Officer Madhu Jayaraj, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana State Sports and Cultural Advisor P. Murli, AP State President Y. Srinivas, Visakhapatnam District Vice President S. Ganesh, Visakhapatnam District Member G. Uma Maheshwar Rao, AP Women Welfare Secretary Y. Mamata, Visakhapatnam District Women President P. Hamalata participated. In Vizianagaram district, Indo-Human Rights Care members distributed blankets and arranged food to 25 needy people. And also in Vizianagaram Indo-Human Rights Care office, North Andhra Zonal Incharge Achireddy and State Welfare Secretary Chandrasekhar gathered nearly 500 tribal hostel students in Vizianagaram district and conducted awareness camp and explained to them about their rights. In this, North Andhra Zonal Incharge Achireddy, AP State Vice President R. Kirit Kumar, AP State Vice President and Spokesperson B. Ramesh Kumar, AP State Welfare Secretary C. Chandrasekhar Rao, AP State Advisory Committee C. H. Banoji Rao, AP State Joint Secretary C. H. Narayanamurthy, Vizianagaram Town Vice President S. Uma Maheshwar Rao, Vizianagaram Town Joint Secretary Y. S. G. Krishnamurthy, Vizianagaram District General Secretary Y. Kishore Kumar, Vizianagaram District Women President Rukmini, Vizianagaram District Joint Secretary V. Anusha participated. In Alluri Sita Ramaraj District, Indo-Human Rights Care members B. David, Alluri Sita Ramaraj District President, B. Lakshmoji Rao, Arku Valley Secretary and V. Gasi, Dubriguda Secretary, arranged food for 30 children in Touch Society, a tribal orphanage. In West Godavari district, fruits were distributed and provided food in Sunrise Foundation Old Age Home by National Legal Advisor P. Lakshman Rao and his team. In this occasion, National Chairman said that everyone should be aware of human rights and should respect the country and everyone should give their best to help, and also said on behalf of Indo-Human Rights Care will organize many service programs in all states and districts.